Diversity of thought is the cornerstone of great companies.
We all have our reasons why we are on this track.
Over 30 acquisitions and the thousands of people who have walked our halls have created a rich legacy.
We were looking for somebody who doesn't just have the track record of success, but we were looking for somebody who also has the values that we believe are so critical to building the right culture in its next chapter.
First and foremost, it's important to me that we build diverse and inclusive teams.
And that's exactly what we did.
We're super excited about the value that we can bring to the company.
Level up!
Are we the great company we can be? No, we're not. But we are building foundation as we set out to do so we can become a great company. We have a lot to look forward to next year. Next year is going to be exciting. We're going to have as many headwinds as we had this year. I think we're going to have surprises to the upside.
We were ready to tackle the next stage of our growth.
One of our goals for 2020 is to roll out a diversity and inclusion program.
And then
the coronavirus,
COVID-19,
coronavirus,
here for toilet paper,
workers to telework.
we had to pivot.
All decisions will be made through a lens of health and safety for our employees, customers, and partners.
We are,
One Neustar.
Apart,
but still together.
As we come out of Q1, we've made a lot of progress against our priorities.
Some goals have been scaled back to account for the practical reality of our current environment.
George Floyd.
You are gone, but not forgotten.
The topic of racism has been brought to the forefront of our society recently by the senseless death of George Floyd. It's clear that Black and brown people have suffered from decades, really centuries, from inequity, bias, prejudice, and racism. I can't claim that we can change the country. What I can do is do something about how we treat this topic at Neustar. We were supposed to roll out a diversity and inclusion initiative this year. We decided to push off some of our priorities into 2021. It was my decision, and it was a bad decision. And we're going to bring the program back to 2020, given what's going on.
Meet our council.
We sought employees who would lead by example, who embody our values, and who are open to learning about their colleagues' backgrounds while sharing their own perspectives. Those selected need to have high standards, hold others accountable, exhibit high levels of candor, and approach dialogue with mutual respect. Everything we do going forward related to eliminating racism, inequity, bias, or prejudice will be driven by the council.
Change doesn't happen overnight. It starts with a desire and then steps in the right direction. We'll be a much more innovative company because with different minds and different backgrounds, we will challenge each other to be better. That's it. One Neustar. The future as it should be. The future as it can be.